Alright guys, another video here from AJ. Just fitted these Google Nests. So we're supposed to do the test. So we've got one at the top of the stairs, one at the bottom, which is here. So there's the bottom one. We come up the stairs. There's the top one fitted. That other one over there is just a battery operator. We're getting rid of that soon. So we come back down the stairs. We do a test.
Ready. Press to test.
Press the test.
This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.